So I got my food. Sorry for talking with a mouthful. I'm really hungry, so bear with me. So today we're going to skate. Okay, you know that it's a skate vlog. What else would we have done? It's gonna be mostly skating. Hardly anything. But we're gonna try some new things. And I'm sorry I haven't posted for a while. I accidentally deleted all my clips. I know I'm an idiot. So I'm going to have to refilm all those clips. Everything I learned new. And we'll also try new things. So yeah. Alright, well, I hope you enjoy this video. What else more is there to say? I really want to get to skating. I'm hungry. So, I'm gonna put my wallet right there. So, basically what happened the other day, my pants over there. What happened the other day was this wheel, I was just riding regularly, you know, cruising around. I won't tell you what trick I was doing, but I was trying a trick, and then I randomly felt on the run up, I randomly felt like me slow down. So I was like, oh, this isn't normal. So I look back and I see my bearing just fuck. You can see right here, the bearing like drilled or spun so much that it carved into the actual metal of my truck. And this is the bearing. It's like crafted and stuff. I don't know if you can really see that well, but so yeah. That's all that happened the other day. I kind of hot pocketed my foot. But yeah, so I guess let's go skating. You're gonna see a clip of me driving in the car. I hope you enjoy that. Always remember to put your windows up at 3rd Street. You can never be too safe. Let's go. Scott!
What's happening?
What's up, man?
Getting some sun on my white ass.
Just finished with the warm up. Let's get some clips now. Let's get some clips. So I just finished skating. Thank you for watching. me skate. I'm sorry for not filming a lot. I only filmed the new tricks I learned. And yeah, let's get out of here. Let's go. Right now, I was looking at my headlight, and it's like nasty compared to this one. So sorry about the background noise too. So we're gonna get this done and finished. I have wipes. This one's not useful. This is the you know, the thing. This one's the lubricant. The 2 sandpaper. I've already done one headlight and glove, and that's a bag. I've already done one headlight, and it's this one. This one came out pretty good. A little bit of spots around the little nubs, maybe down here, but all in all, it came out pretty good compared to this one. This one didn't come out too good because you can tell there's still dirt. Wash down the headlight with a rag right here. So we're just gonna pour some water on there. Get that headlight nice and washed. I don't know what I should call this. A mustache or eyebrows? Comment down below. Which one do you like better? The mustache or the brows? Okay, so now it's this. The clarifying compound. So we're gonna use this. I know it's not the cleanest, but it's all I have. Don't ask me what that is. Okay. This isn't enough, but it's enough to get the size that I need. Next up will be this, to do with this and the lubricant spray. Oh, there's a piece up there. Lubricant spray. And then lubricant spray. That's number 1. Now we'll go to number 2. And then we get this. Spray it a little. Now we're going to use side number 3, and we got the spray, polish, get them out. And we go to number 4. Just use the dry side of this. This is the aftermath compared to before. This isn't bad. That's it.